Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Rubia and today is the day 2 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. So today I will tell about my daily routine. Okay, I'll share with you about my daily routine. First of all, let's understand what is daily routine. We all know about it, right? So daily routine is the combination of works which we do throughout our day, right? And if you have a daily routine, then it is easy to follow the works and it is easy to manage your 24 hours. So yeah, this is daily routine. So I also have a daily routine. Sometimes I also not able to follow that routine strictly, because to be honest, there is there are some reasons. Sometimes I feel like I don't feel like the works to do, and sometimes it feels heavy and hard, but I try to follow that routine strictly. Sometimes it happens, and still I try. Okay, so I am an early morning person, because I want to I love waking up early. So I wake up around 4:45 a.m. in the morning. Yes, 4:45 a.m. in the morning, because I need to read the namaz. So after waking up, I brush my teeth and I read the namaz. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. After that, I come here and make my English video around 5:30. Yes, and then after making the video, I have my breakfast. After having my breakfast, I I read or I study for 2 hours. Yes, I study for 2 hours about my college studies and my academic studies. Yeah. After that, I do all the household chores. For example, washing the dishes, then sweeping the rooms, cleaning everything. It takes almost it takes almost 2 hours. And after that, I help my family member, uh, I mean my mother, in the cooking. Okay, in cooking I help my mother. After that, I take bath, and then I try to read something to improve my English. I try to read English books, and also I listen to English songs and podcast to improve my English. So yeah, after that I take a nap in the noon. Yes, in the noon I take a nap for around 1.5 hours, and then from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. I teach my students. Yeah, I also teach students, almost 10 to 12 students, and they're from different classes. I teach students from pre-primary to class 4. Yeah, and after teaching them around 6:30 p.m. in the noon, I feel really tired, I feel exhausted, and I don't feel like to do anything, but still I try to study, I try to read, and to be honest, sometimes I scroll in the mobile phone, watch short videos. Yeah, these type of works, and then I have my dinner. And after having my dinner, I go to bed around 10 to 10:30 p.m. in the morning. So yeah, that's all about my daily routine. So if you also have a daily routine, you can share with me, and you can tell me, are you practicing your English every single day? And if you are not practicing, then please try to practice your English, because practice is the key to become a good and fluent English speaker. You have to practice every single day, and you have to practice more and more. You have to speak. Yeah, speaking is the most important part of learning any language. So yeah, that's all about my daily routine. So you can also share with me about yours. I'm really eager to hear from you. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in a day 3. Yeah, till then, bye.